This video I will show you how to fix the GCash cannot install problem on the Google Play Store. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and now tap on the search bar. Search for Google Play Store and now tap on the Google Play Store. Force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. First of all, contacts, allow back, location, allow back, microphone, allow back, nearby devices, allow back, notification, turn on notification, and phone, allow, SMS, allow. Okay, allow all permission complete and go to Play Store. Now tap on search bar and search for GCash. And tap on GCash. Check update your GCash app. My GCash app already updated. Okay. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. You go back and open your GCash app or uninstall your GCash app and again install your GCash app and open your GCash app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.